Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the default display settings in the access stored files on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first what we want to do is go over to the menu. Now here we want to go to the function settings and store and access files. Here, after we enter the store and access files, we need to go over to common settings, access stored files settings, and here we will have the default display settings. So we can change it to details, thumbnail, or preview, and it's all up to our preference. So whichever one you like the most, you can use it. It doesn't change anything, just the difference between those three. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.